Hey guys, sorry about that. So the app I use only gives me a 5 minute limit, and it told me I had 30 seconds left. So I figured that was a good stopping point. So let's pick up. So in the last video, the last thing we did was we figured out uh, the equation for the derivative dy dx. We figured out the point that they gave us. All we have to do now is go ahead and just plug it in. So that would mean that dy dx should equal 4 times square root of 2 over 2 cubed, plus 2 times the square root of 2 over 2 times square root of 2 over 2 squared. Sorry, it doesn't like that corner. Over 2 times square root of 2 over 2 minus 2 square root of 2 over 2 squared times square root of 2 over 2. All right. There we go. We got that close. All right. So since all I have to do now is simplify that, I'm going to go ahead and try to do that a little bit in my head and write out what I need to. So for the first part, I'm going to get 4 times 2 root 2 over 8. Yep, because, yeah. Plus radical 2 times radical 2 over 2 squared is a half. Over radical 2 minus, well, 2 times a half is 1. And, yeah. Okay. So I'm going to write some of the stuff we did before because I need a little more room. Let's hope it doesn't get too mad at us when I do that. Yeah. Okay. So in the meantime, while I erase this, make sure you go back and try it out for yourself. See if you can make sense of how and why my answers are correct. And if they're not, leave a comment because that means I need to go back and edit this. But I trust myself. But that doesn't mean it's not wrong. All right, getting there. Cool. So let's change the color up to red. So we know that dy dx should equal a square root of 2 plus square root of 2 over 2 over square root of 2 minus square root of 2 over 2. So technically that is a sufficient answer, but you know how mathematicians don't like their radicals, so we're going to go ahead and do the simplest, or rationalize the denominator. So we're going to go ahead and multiply by the conjugate over radical 2 plus radical 2 over 2. Okay, so we should get, not 4. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 should be 2 plus, we're going to get 2 square root of 4 over 2 plus square root of 4 over 4. So I'm doing the FOIL up top and the denominator. That's just a difference of squares. So it's going to be 2 minus a half. So erase a little bit more because I need more room. All right. This is actually a pretty nice website. So you got 2 plus 2 plus a half over 3 halves, which gets us 4 and a half, so 9 halves over 3 halves, which gets us 3, and we're going to run out of time again. So stay tuned for our thrilling conclusion.